Hello, my name is Dick Cooper with Fine Fretted Friends. Today I have a Fender LEO from the late 70s. I'd like to show you. It's a wonderful old banjo. It's in really nice condition. I'm not exactly a banjo expert, but I do love to fiddle around on a banjo. And here I'll give you some close-ups of this banjo, sort of close-ups, I guess. You see the Remo head. That is the head that came on the banjo. I don't know if the tailpiece, everything on here, the chrome really shines. And I imagine it's all original and it's been kept in good shape, but it's hard to tell. And I don't know I imagine the tailpiece is original too. So you can see some of the banjo. Everything is just in excellent condition. The resonator, I think it's mahogany. I can't tell my woods that well. Up and down the fret. I think this is the standard Leo. I think the deluxe Leo back in that time was a little more ornate. But same banjo with just different finish levels, as I understand it. And the head. And the neck, back of the neck. Got a dual truss rod inside. It's a nicely made banjo, nice fit. And there are there's a ding or two here and there on the banjo. I don't remember if there's any more than just that one that I saw. But overall it's in very good shape. And again, the frets at the top, I don't know how well you can see. They're in good condition too. There's hardly any fret wear. So I'll try to play some songs. Again, I'm not a real banjo player, but I fiddle around on it. Can't get it. So that's the Fender. Oh, I didn't mention it's a Bart, I believe. That's a Bart saddle. I don't know if I mentioned that and if you can even see it, but it's signed by a guy named Bart. So that's the Fender LEO. Oh, I see. It stopped working.